Are you ready to combine education with unforgettable experiences? At CQUniversity, we offer two unique short programs for our international students, study tours and our summer and winter programs. Let's start with study tours. These are short-term, customized programs that run for 2 to 4 weeks, designed specifically for university groups worldwide. Each program is tailored to your academic focus and interests. From engaging workshops and lectures to immersive excursions, every activity connects you to Australian culture and education. These tours can take place at our Brisbane or Cairns campuses. Both locations offer their own unique advantages, whether it's the tropical environment of Cairns or the urban energy of Brisbane. Our summer and winter programs are held exclusively at our Cairns campus and are perfect for students seeking an intensive academic and cultural experience. You'll choose from an individual study stream relevant to your course back at home. These programs combine hands-on workshops, site visits, and real-world learning in one of the world's most stunning and tropical locations. From exploring the Great Barrier Reef to engaging with local Indigenous communities, you'll gain skills, global connections, and resume-boosting academic credits transferable to your home institution, all while enjoying the vibrant lifestyle of Cairns. Wherever you study with us, you'll enjoy an authentic Australian experience. You'll stay with local homestay families, explore the community, and engage with our supportive staff and student ambassadors. This cultural immersion is at the heart of every CQUniversity program, giving you the chance to form lifelong connections while building practical skills and academic knowledge. So whether you're joining us for a study tour or our summer and winter programs, you'll leave with a transformative education and memories to last a lifetime. Visit our website to learn more and take the first step toward an unforgettable study experience at CQUniversity.